Okay, so in this tutorial we're going to go ahead and show students how they can get into Canvas from their browser. So if you want to go in from the ASD website, you can navigate to the ASD website by going to www.asdk12.org, and in the top bar here you'll see Students. Under Students, in Student Tools, third down, you'll see Canvas. These are subject to change, but currently Canvas is the third option under Student Tools. This will take students to the login screen. They will have had to have enrolled into the ASD program, and once they have, they can utilize their last name dot first name and generally their student ID as their password. And this will get you to your dashboard where you see some tiles of the classes that you are currently enrolled in. So that's how you get into Canvas, log into Canvas in the Anchorage School District. Thanks for your time and attention, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.